Hi folks. Today we'll see like what is functional field in report, and this features is there since Quebec release in ServiceNow. So today we'll get to know like, what is this functional field and how can we use this and what is the need of this functional field. So in past, like you might have faced some issue where you need a duration field, which where you have to calculate the duration between start date and the end date of a particular ticket. So for that you would have gone for creation of field in the database, or you might have created few metrics for that. But without creating those two things also, we can create a particular field for a report, and that field can be used for any report on that particular table. So we'll see that what is that functional field. So here is the documentation of ServiceNow, like what is functional field and all. So it has few advantage and or you can say disadvantage also. Like whatever field we'll create, that cannot be encrypted or that cannot be audited. So and we cannot convert that field to a regular field. So those are few, and there is one more limitation also, like we can create maximum up to 20 configuration field for a single table. We cannot create more than 20 fields. So, and those field will not create in the database. If you will search those field in the database of that particular table, you will not able to see that. Those will be only specific for the reporting purpose. Let me show you. If I'll click on here, click report, where is create report? Create new report. So I'll click on this. Ready demo. Suppose I'll give something table name. Suppose let's pick a requested item table. Okay, now I'll click on next. Now I'll click on next. So here you can see this is the list view which is coming. Here you will see configuration field. If I'll click on this configuration field, first you have to save it, then it will open a new pop-up window. Here we can see here we can add few configuration field. Suppose let me click here, let me type something like mm, demo duration. So it will, what will be the return type of that particular field? It will be returning the duration. You can see one duration is there. I'll click on this duration. Here we have to pick the operation. Now we have to calculate the duration. So there is one function called date diff. I have to click on this, then I have to pass two date. One will be created and another, I have to move the cursor from after this comma. Then I have to choose this closed. There is one field called closed. Click on this. Once this function and this everything will auto generate. Once it, if there is no error in this function, it will show here like syntax is correct. Suppose let me add something. See, it is showing syntax error, invalid expression. Now I'll remove this. It will show syntax is correct. Now I can save this. So once I'll save it, then I am not able to view that duration field, demo duration. Let me save this. Okay, still I am not able to see. Then what you have to do, then you have to click on choose column. Then I'll search for demo duration. I'll bring that field after this active field. I click on OK. Still it is not coming. Then what you have to do, you have to save this. Once you will save, it will reload and it will appear. You can see demo duration is coming now. So without create a database field and metrics, we are able to calculate the duration. So wherever duration is empty, mean that one of the particular field value is empty. Let me do one more thing also. Let's go for one concatenation. So let me click on configure field. Now I'll click on this create new demo concat, and it will return us the text value. So I'll pick here the return type will be text and the operation will be concat. There is one out of the box function. There are lots of function. You can use length, divide, day of week, add. So now I'll use this concat one. Here I'll pick a number field. I'll concat number and short description. So let me pick short description. Suppose I want to add some special character in between too also, I can do that. What I have to do, you have to add one more comma in between this. I have to pass one hyphen. Suppose this is, you can see syntax is correct. I'll click on save. Once it will save, I have to choose column. I have to type demo concat. So this demo concat will appear above the demo duration. Click on OK. Click me save it. So once you will save it, see demo concat is also appearing. So, and it has, as I mentioned, it has one limitation. We can create maximum up to 20 configuration field for a particular table. We cannot create more than that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any doubts or anything in this. Thank you.